Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm with Graphics Pro Expo, also known as GPX. I'm here to let you know about some great new elements added to the last two shows of the 2024 show season. Come with me. GPX is the one place to grow your business with apparel decoration, custom gift, and wide format printing under one roof. Want to preview what's new in your core business, plus learn about different technologies to increase revenue? Join us for GPX University, where you can try before you buy. GPX University starts with an evening panel discussion on business, plus the tips and tricks from top influencers, followed by a relaxed networking happy hour. The next day, experience hands-on learning in the GPX University show floor campus, highlighting current and new technologies for screen printing, DTF, DTG, and embroidery. Learn from the best. Plus, don't forget the show specials. For more information, click on our link in bio. See you soon!